Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is just go to Google, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here in the three dots, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and then you have to look for settings. So scroll down here and then tap on settings. On settings, you have to look for privacy and security. On the left side, you have to scroll down and look for privacy and security. Click this one. Now here on the privacy and security, you have to scroll down and you have to look for site settings. Here in the site settings, you have to scroll down again. And then this time you have to look for pop-ups and redirects. Click this one. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to select the first option, which is Site Consent Pop-ups. Click this one. Once done, the next thing to do here is just go back or tap this arrow facing back. Now look for additional settings. Click this one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to look for the intrusive ads. So click this one right here and then select this any site that you visit can show you ad. So click this one right here and basically that's it. So you just have to simply again go to your Google and then look for privacy and security, or again tap on the three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, and then you have to look for site settings, and then you have to select the first option, and also you have to look for the intrusive ads and then select the any site that you visit can show you ad. And basically that's how easy it is to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.